Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel, for giving me lots of love. And I am glad that I help you out in some manner, either by giving information through spiritual information or giving messages through tarot card reading. This is your general reading for the month of November 2021. But please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope it will help you out in some manner. But take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest. Because this is the general reading for all Aquarius, so it is not going to resonate with each of you. Okay, and I'm very happy that after almost 1 month, I am doing your reading. And today I was receiving, from last 2 days, I was receiving the messages that I have to do the reading, and now I am back with the tarot card readings. So I hope it will help you out in some manner. If you have not subscribed yet to the channel, then please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And you can also let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. So let's start your reading and let's see what are the beautiful messages for my beautiful magical Aquarius all over the world for the month of November 2021. So while doing the meditation, I got some messages which I'm going to deliver for you first. And the messages was that you have to set up healthy boundaries around yourself, Aquarius. Okay, set up healthy boundaries around yourself. You need to learn where you need to establish healthy boundaries around yourself. Okay, and you are releasing some soul contracts. Okay, some kind of pattern, you are breaking the chain, you are releasing soul contracts, soul patterns of this lifetime, of past lifetime here. Okay, and I was also getting the message that you are crossing some kind of bridge. Okay, you are crossing some kind of bridge, and right now you have to welcome new beginnings. Okay, you're crossing some kind of bridge and you have to welcome new beginnings. There are new beginnings which are coming for you. Okay, there is sun. And in your tarot card reading also, I will show you in my next video, which I will do for you for the love reading for Aquarius. I receive almost 5 sun cards in the tarot cards for you. So definitely there are new happy beginnings which are coming for you. So let go of the old and welcome new, which will take its own time to connect and possibly it's on its way, but you have to open up to receive new beginnings. So there are definitely new beginnings which are coming up for you, Aquarius. And one more thing which I received here was flower, specifically lily flower. I do not know why, but you have to connect with the flower, especially lily flower. Okay, so this is the, and by coincidence or by according, because everything happens according to the divine, I have used today lily flower diffuser only. I do not know why but I use this lily flower, and lily flower will help you out and strengthen your faith. And in your reading also, I got a lot of lilies here. Can you see? There is white lily, there is purple lily. Connect with flowers, basically the smell, the essence of flower. Okay, and this will help you out in some manner. Maybe the flowers will help you out in putting the control your thoughts, and they will help you out to stay focused. They will whatever distractions you are facing in your life, they will help you out in that way. So yes, this was the message which I was receiving here. And you are protected by the angels. Healing energy is flowing up through you. Okay, there is an awakening which is going on, and you are becoming the feminine energy. Your Kundalini rising is happening here. Okay, your Kundalini is rising here. This is very beautiful. Your awakening is happening, your Kundalini is rising, and you becoming the feminine. 0440 is the recording reading time. You're becoming the feminine, the divine feminine here. And you are definitely crossing some kind of passage. Can you see? There is a passage which you are crossing here. Okay, and that's beautiful. You're crossing the passages here, and lot of abundance is coming. Okay, this is beautiful. I'm going to give you more messages while, okay, and this is very beautiful here. There are major life changes which is coming on. You're crossing this bridge, the rainbow, and there is whatever tower movements are happening, whatever chaos and conflicts are happening for you in your life here, Aquarius, these are making you to welcome the beautiful new beginnings in life. Okay, many chakra activations are happening, your solar plexus chakra, your crown chakra. Okay, so now let's start and pay gratitude here. What is, and message is here that you need to pay the gratitude. Always say thank you for the beautiful things the divine has blessed to you. 0550. So this is very important that you have to pay gratitude for all those things which you are having here. Lot of purple color is here, and some of you are having shamanic journey. Okay, so you have to tune up with your soul purpose, start working on your soul purpose, Aquarius. If you are listening to me, some of you Aquarius, you are having shamanic, okay, shaman journey. Basically, I do not have much knowledge about shamanic journey, but it is very beautiful, and I can say there's a lot of knowledge which is there inside of shaman journey. So you can also let me know in the comment section if you are having that. But some of you are having that journey, so you are being called up to complete your journey. You are being called up to to start up your soul purpose. So now let's start your reading and let's see what are the messages. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Help me out to deliver the important messages for my beautiful Aquarius all over the world for the month of November, which is important to deliver. Yes, definitely there is freedom also. Freedom is coming up for you, Aquarius. Let the universe free you. Okay, there is also a freedom which is coming. The soul freedom is coming basically for you. Okay, so let's start. Please give me the messages which are important to deliver for the month of November 2021. Please give me the messages. What are the messages for Aquarius? See, I told you there is definitely new beginnings which are coming up for you, Aquarius. New beginnings in love, new beginnings in career, new beginnings in every area of your life. Some of you are going to travel somewhere. Okay, the traveling is here, travel card is here, and that is written in your destiny. It is something which is written in your destiny. Okay, so something is coming in towards you, Aquarius, in the month of November. Either you are traveling somewhere or you're changing the places. That can also be a possibility. But that definitely there is new beginnings which are coming up for Aquarius. And it's always beautiful to do your readings, Aquarius. I got a lot of positive energies. Okay, my own frequency and vibrations change when I do your readings. Okay, please give me the messages. Wow, beautiful. Some of you, if your health was not good at all, now the health is going to improve. Okay, in the month of November, there's a lot of wisdom which is coming up for you. Use your wisdom. Okay, you have a lot of ancient wisdom inside your soul, inside your DNA. So use your wisdom here, Aquarius. Some of you, definitely there is a reunion which is coming up for you. Okay, and you are going to get reunion and marriage proposals. Okay, with your yin yang, with your twin flame. Okay, the reunion with your yin yang, the other half, the twin flame, the reunion and the marriage card is here. So some of you are going to get the reunion here. Okay, and one more thing, that this is the also a message that some of you are going to get balance in your yin yang energy, but definitely going to get the reunion with your divine counterpart. Okay, so this is beautiful. You're going to get marriage proposal or you're going to get marriage. Okay, just take a leap of faith, Aquarius, and move in a forward direction. Let's see more messages. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let's see more messages. Please Please give me the messages for Aquarius, which is important to deliver. What are the messages? See, there is a soul calling which is happening for you, Aquarius, okay? And one more important message was there, that you have to take care of yourself, Aquarius. Rest and rejuvenate yourself, okay? You are the keepers of the earth. Use your intuition. See, your guidance is divinely guided, and you need to trust your path. Okay. First of all, you have to take care of yourself, Aquarius. Deep replenishment, retreat, rest, and be held. Take care of your body, take care of your soul, rest and rejuvenate yourself, okay? So this is the message which I'm having here. There is beautiful message of sisterhood of the rose, beauty and devotion, priestess, mystic, teacher and priestess. How are you being called to step up and lead? So have you answered your deepest calling? Your soul is trying to call you. 11:11 is the recording reading time, okay? Your soul calling is happening here. You have to answer that, Aquarius, okay? Use your intuitions. High priestess is here. So this is beautiful, and you are the keepers of the earth. You are not alone. I told you, there is a lot of wisdom you are having inside your DNA, inside your soul, and there are ancient ancestors which are standing beside you, okay? This is beautiful and very powerful message. You are not alone. There is ancient wisdom, ancient ancestors which are standing with you. They are supporting you, they are guiding you here. And there is no wait, postpone, pause and say no. So if you, this is a very specific message for someone which needs to hear that. You have to say no for a specific thing which don't serve your highest good, okay? Let that go and say no, wait, postpone here. And this is Akasha. I hope it is visible. Okay, Akasha, your guidance is divinely guided. 1221 is the recording reading time. Your guidance is divinely guided, okay? Everything is happening according to the divine plan in your life, Aquarius. Trust your path. Some of you, see, some of you, you are some of you are having the double mission here. You are here as Palladian star seeds, okay, challenging and uplifting humanity. You have to trust your path. If you know you would support it, what would you do? So trust your path, take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction. You go first and the universe will catch you up. So take a leap of faith, Aquarius, and move in a forward direction. And definitely where you need to establish better boundaries, okay? You have to set up healthy boundaries around yourself, okay? Because you are not for everyone, Aquarius. Your energy is precious, so learn to establish healthy boundaries around yourself. 1331 is the recording reading time. Some of you are having different types of star seed groups, Lemuria and Pleiades, double mission, challenging and uplifting humanity, okay? Some of you are from the Pleiades, some of you are from the Orient, some of you are from the Andromedan, some of you are from the Arctan, some of you are Syrian, okay? So you know better, but some of you are having double mission here on the planet Earth, okay? So this is beautiful. Thank you so much for giving the messages. Now let's see more messages for you, Aquarius. Let me add one message from the unicorns. Please give me one message for Aquarius. Please give me one message for Aquarius for the month of November. What is the message you want me to deliver? I got two messages. Okay, see, let go of the past. While shuffling, I was watching this. I was getting this message. Okay, you need to let go of the past and you have to move in a forward direction. 1441 is the recording reading time. Future. Let go of the past and move in a forward direction. Take a leap of faith. and there is mystery. Explore the unknown. The unexpected is waiting for you. So beautiful messages from the unicorn is here. Thank you, unicorns, for giving the messages. Now let me add some message from the Scared Destiny Oracle deck. What is the message you want me to deliver for Aquarius? You have to take risk. New gateways, new portals are opening up for you, Aquarius. You need to trust the universe, the divine plan. Okay, let's see. What is the message? Wow, love. Love is in the air. Happiness is coming. Lot of miracles is coming for you, Aquarius. Okay, you need to be more flexible, change, delays. Maybe some of you can see the feathers here. See, I told you, lot of gateways are opening up for you here. Gateway is opening up for you. Maybe you can see lot of feathers these days. The unicorn, the angels and the universe, the ascended masters, the divine, they are communicating with you, okay, by sending the messages, by sending signs and synchronicities. Okay, maybe you can see a lot of feathers these days, the unicorn these days. Okay, so the portals, the gateways is opening up. There is diligence and you have to be flexible here, and trust that everything is happening according to the divine plan. Okay, and for your own good, for not even for your own good, for the highest good for all. Okay, so you need to be more flexible and diligent. Trust that everything is happening here according to the divine plan, according to the universe. There is love is in the air, Aquarius. The love is coming for you. Can you see again the flowers is here? Connect with flowers, their smell, their essence. The message which I am receiving is here that you need to connect with flowers here. Okay, rose, lily, any flower which you love, but connect with the yellow lily, pink lily, white lily. 1717 is the recording reading time. There is lot of happiness. See, dolphin is here, so maybe you can see lot of dolphins, rainbows. That can also be a possibility. Lot of miracles and happiness is coming up for you, so welcome those miracles and happiness. Can you see how the light increases? Just I said open up yourself. So that's how you have to receive these miracles in your life. There is definitely a change which is coming up for you. So this is beautiful. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let's see what are the messages from Sacred Traveler here, Oracle deck. What is the message you want me to deliver for Aquarius? Please give me the messages. What is the message you want me to deliver for Aquarius? Any other message? Solitude. In silence, peace prevails. So maybe you can see a lot of owls these days, but follow your intuition, follow your wisdom, because owl represent wisdom, knowledge, intuitions. Okay, so have solitude here, Aquarius, and there is staying focused. You need to hold the course. Okay, so this is beautiful. Let me see more messages from the Gateway Oracles. What are the messages? Thank you for giving the messages for Aquarius. Please give me the message which you want me to deliver. Lot of adventure is coming up for you. The two message which I got for you is soaring into joy. Childlike wonders fill my life, and dwelling in truth I stand in the light of truth. And bottom of the deck I am having I savor the wonders of the world, embarking on the adventures. Lot of adventures are coming up for you. You just need to get ready here, Aquarius. Okay, so this is the message which I received from this deck, and this is beautiful. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let's see what are the messages from the Star Seed Oracle deck. Thank you for giving the messages. What are the messages you want me to give for Aquarius? Some of you are from Mentakan star seeds. Some of you are dealing with the karmic here, karmic relationships. This is the Orion energy, polarity, soul growth, and conflicts. You are dealing with someone who is your karmic relationships, and these karmic relationships are helping you out in your soul's growth. Okay, because karmic relationships always, they are always your soul teacher. Okay, they teach you, they basically help you out in growing, okay, in your soul's growth here. Let me see, what is the message you want me to deliver? Please give me the messages for Aquarius. Any other message? See, some of you are having double mission. You are a star seed as well as the light worker here. Okay, double missions, light workers, star seed, serve the world by being you. Okay, your soul calling is happening here, Aquarius. You have to follow your soul calling. Start working on your soul mission here. Okay, you are having a double mission. You are a star seed as well as a light workers. Then there is fall into my arms, surrender, holding the opposite extremes of life. Spend some time with nature here. You need to surrender yourself to the nature, to the divine, to the universe, and go with the flow. Then there is earthen, learning how to be human in the world but not of it. You are here on the planet Earth as for your soul's growth, to learn beautiful lessons for your soul's growth, which will help you out in your soul's growth basically. So you are trying to learn how to be more human. Okay, then there is the cosmic heart, devotion, potency, make your life moving, a moving prayer. Okay, do not get stuck here, Aquarius, because in your tarot card also reading there was Eight of Swords energy. Maybe you are thinking and get stuck in a specific situation, or you are overthinking the situations. You are not moving in a forward direction. So keep your life a moving prayer. Okay, then there is the void, stop, embrace winter, great cosmic warp. And there is the golden children, inner child, tenderness, innocence, and rare gift. You are the golden children of the universe. The cosmic intelligence lies within your DNA, Aquarius. Okay, the star seeds are having beautiful knowledge, the rare gifts inside their DNA. Okay, so you have to be feel blessed that you are the golden children of the universe. Okay, so you have to connect with your inner child here. So this is beautiful. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let me add one message from the archangels. What are the messages? Please give me the message for Aquarius. See, I told you, you need to trust your own wisdom. Have faith in your psychic impression here. Archangel Muriel and Archangel Mariel, manifest for the highest good. Work with pure love. Okay, you can take a screenshot of it also. And there is Archangel Muriel, trust your own wisdom, have faith in your own psychic impressions. You are having a lot of psychic abilities, and trust all those psychic abilities. Honor your psychic abilities. See through the illusions. Okay, Archangel Dorincan. And see again, welcome new beginnings, let the sun shine in your life, Archangel Aurora. You can take a screenshot of it. Okay, use your psychic abilities and the powers and the gift to see the truth, the real truth. Okay, so that you can see through the illusions which are happening in your life. So this is beautiful. Now let me add some message from the witch's wisdom. Please give me one message for Aquarius. What is the message? There are a lot of new decks which I got in this month, and I'm using these decks for the first time. Okay, let's see. Please give me one message for Aquarius for the month of November. What is the message you want me to deliver? Initiation. See, bottom of the deck I'm having feminine. You are rising as a feminine, okay? You are connecting with your feminine energy. You are balancing your feminine energy here, and there is initiation here. You have to take the initiation. But let me read it out from the book here. Make a commitment. Don't worry about others are doing what they are doing. Be true to your natural self. Okay, seek out a coven in your area. If you prefer to work alone, you have to do so. You are ready and being called to be initiated into craft. Acknowledge spirit in all you perceive. So you have to basically work on your creativity. Okay, don't think that what others will think of it. You have to take the initiation of doing it, Aquarius. Okay, so this is very beautiful and powerful message here. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let me add one message from the self-care. This is very beautiful deck. Can you see how beautiful the deck is? I loved it. So let's see what is the message. Going to give you some self-care. Look at the stars. See, bottom of the deck I'm having look at the stars. Okay, let's see what is the message you want me to deliver for Aquarius. Create art. Do the painting here, Aquarius. Rest. Take a walk. Deep breathing. Dream journal. If you are receiving some kind of dreams these days, so you have to write down these dreams here, okay, in a book. Then you have to take rest. Okay, rest. Take rest here. Again the same messages here. Then there is deep breathing and take a walk. Okay, so you have to take a walk and deep breathing and create art. If you are very good in creating the art, the painting, so do it here. So this is the message. Thank you. Now let me add one message. So I'm going to add this one only, Lilik, because this was the message which I was receiving here. Strengthen your faith. Okay, so this is the message which I was receiving here. Now let me add some message from the fortune cookies, and then I am going to close out your reading. In my next video, I'm going to give you more messages because there are a lot of messages, Aquarius, for you. So I'm going to make 2 videos for it. What is the message you want me to give for Aquarius? One more message, please. There is a change which is coming up for you, Aquarius. Okay, the change is coming up, so get ready, and luck is on your side, and the health is going to improve for you. You have to the messages sunshine and the planning. The sun is shining on you, your career, your business growth, fabulous communications in relationships. And the next message is planning. Now is the time to lay down the foundations for your future. Future gains are more likely to be. So this was your general reading for the month of November 2021. I hope I help you out in some manner, Aquarius. Sending you lots of love and healing light to all my Aquarius who are watching my video. Take care of yourself and see you soon.